Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm your friendly neighborhood artist who occasionally pretends to know what they're doing. If you love painting but enjoy random stories that may or may not make sense, congrats! You're in the right place. On this channel, we'll be sketching, painting, and telling stories. Because let's be honest, staring at paint drying in silence is not the most thrilling thing ever. So grab your brushes or just sit back and judge my painting skills. Either way, let's get started. Today, we're drawing and painting an elephant, because elephants are majestic, wise, and honestly, they have better memory than me. Let's get started before I forget what I was supposed to say. All right, step one, sketching the elephant. Now, if you're thinking, oh no, elephants look complicated, don't worry. It's just a series of shapes. Or at least that's what I tell myself to stay calm. Start with a big oval for the body. Basically, draw a giant potato. If it looks weird, congrats, that's art. For the head, sketch a smaller oval attached to the potato. Think of it as drawing a snowman that went to the gym. The trunk is just a long, slightly wavy line, like a question mark because we all have questions about life. Ears? Big, floppy, and slightly uneven. If one looks weird, just call it perspective and move on. Legs should be thick and sturdy. This isn't a flamingo, it's an elephant. Give it the respect it deserves. Now for the star of the show, the elephant. This is where things get real. If I mess this up, it's going to look like a very sad rock with legs, so let's hope for the best. Painting tips for the elephant. Start with a base layer of light gray. We'll build up the darker shadows later. Think of it like contouring, but for an elephant. Use a slightly darker shade to define the wrinkles. And yes, elephants have wrinkles. Unlike us, they wear theirs proudly. For the trunk, add some curved lines to show its texture, unless you want it to look like a smooth, cursed spaghetti noodle. The eyes are small but super important. And that's it. Our first painting, an elephant looking majestic, wise, and hopefully not like a rock with legs. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what I should paint next. Maybe a galaxy, a tiger, or an owl that looks like it's judging you. Until next time, keep painting, keep creating, and remember, don't accidentally drink your paint water.